Hello and welcome back. This is Steve about Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm doing another €2 coin review. It is another one from France and it is the coin from 2011. It has the second map of Europe on it, I believe. It looks like a second map. I might be wrong. I believe it's the second map. And it is the €2 coin that covers the 30th anniversary of the music festival or music day. On the front there, on the common side as they call it, is the map of Europe, and then this is the coin itself. You have some people enjoying the music at the bottom. You have I believe it is the actual text saying music festival or music day. The mintage for this coin is 10 million, and this festival is sometimes referred to as event. Oh, hang on a minute. It says, the description says it is a Tillet event goers, which I presume are the people at the bottom there. I'm not exactly sure what they mean by that, but I don't know if Tillet is the area in which the music festival takes place or not. However, it's one of these lovely European commemorative coins. I do like these coins, and I also like I don't like the low value 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 10, is it 25, 20, 50 cent coins. I don't like those at all. I like the commemoratives, so they tend to be either 2, 5 or €10 coins, so the commemoratives, and they're the ones I'm more likely to be collecting. So that's this coin, the description of this coin. I do like these €2 commemoratives. It gives you a understanding of some of the interesting things that are going on in Europe. So, having done this video now and given you the description, do you like this coin? Would you like to see this coin in your collection? I'm just going to bag it up, ready for me to flip when I'm ready to put it into my collection. I do a minimum of 4, and just recently I've been releasing 5 videos a week in the hope that you can find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to improve my subscriber level this year. I'm currently standing at around about 173, 174 towards the end of May, and by Christmas, New Year, I'd like to hit 250. This is not an easy target, but I don't believe I should be setting myself easy targets. I will need your help to do this. So if you've liked this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you believe I've deserved it, could you please subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we all meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.